Okay, we're back and we're going to be talking about using the right hand. And as we remember, we talked about the reason that the left hand is on top is not because only you can play that way with the left hand. The problem is the right hand fingers only fit this way. When the left hand tries to play the bottom keys, to stretch over for that last one, you start pulling fingers right off the other holes. So that's why our left hand is always on top, because the bottom holes need the right hand. Alright, so the first note we're going to be learning on the right hand is E. So there's the G fingering, here's the E. You add the next fourth and fifth finger, as I call it. I like to call it fourth and five. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7. So when you're playing the E, when you first start learning to play the E, it probably pays to play B, A, G, and then add the two fingers for the E. Doing that a few times, make sure it sounds good, possibly starting on G and then a couple times playing the E, just to make sure that it's going to come out when you really want it to come out, and then start working on the song. Here's an example of what I'm talking about. Here it is straight on. You'll see I'm just gradually working my way down. And we'll go to a slight angle to the other way so you can see that I'm playing these flat fingered. I'm only going about a ½ an inch above. And as I said, once you get good at that, try playing G and then to the E. And then maybe starting on the E and going up to the G. Now this next song, It's Raining, is going to use eighth notes. Now they're going to look chocolate, just like the quarter notes, but they're going to have a beam that's going across from one stem to another, and that means they're each a ½ a beat long, meaning two of those notes fit inside one quarter note. So they're very quick. If you remember using tas and TTs, these are your TT notes, whereas the chocolate quarter notes, that's the ta. Alright, so here's It's Raining, and I guess we'll try this angle so you can see the low E. Here it is again, low straight on. And again, it's very important that you stay close to the instrument, that the fingers don't go flying off. You know, you don't want to look like you're waving to somebody. You want to stay close. This will be the same thing that you're going to need to do if you're doing beginning band in 6th grade at the middle school. If you're playing clarinet, trumpet, saxophone, you want your fingers close to the keys and the buttons. Alright, so that is It's Raining using the low E. And we'll come back and we're going to show you the next note, which is going to be low D. We'll see you soon.